Hello everyone, I'm Neha Attara. Welcomes you to the Nur AI. Today we will talk about the second library of Python, which is Pandas. We will cover what is Pandas, why to use Pandas library, advantages and disadvantages of Pandas, and conclusion at the end. So let's get started. What is Pandas? Pandas indicates Python for Data Analysis Library. The name is derived from the term panel data, econometric term for data sets that includes observations over multiple time periods for the same individuals. It is built on the top of NumPy, a package that supports multidimensional arrays. So we have seen NumPy library before in our first episode. If you want to see that video again, it is available in the I button or description below. Now moving towards Pandas. Pandas is one of the most common data wrangling packages in the Python ecosystem. Data wrangling means mapping of one raw data to another data format. So this was Pandas. Now let's see why we need to use Pandas. First one is to load and save the data. To load dataset in Jupyter Notebook, we need to use Pandas. To save the dataset also we need to use Pandas. Second one is column insertion and deletion. To insert a new column in the existing dataset or to delete it. Third one is data selection, to choose or filter a specific number of rows and columns. For example, to print first 5 rows and first 5 columns. Fourth, renaming the columns and rows. To rename a column or row, we need to use Pandas. Fifth, row deletion, to delete rows from the data frame. Sixth one is data sorting, to sort the data in ascending or descending order. Seventh is handling missing values. Replace all blank or empty cells in Pandas data frame with nans, यानी कि not a number. 8th, handling duplicate data, to delete a duplicate rows or columns in the data set. 9th one is data exploration, to know the characteristics of data from which one can understand dataset better. 10th, data visualization, to compare two columns. So for all these purposes, we need to use Pandas. Now let's move towards the advantages of Pandas. First one is excellent data visualization. It can represent and organize the data. The Pandas library is an excellent platform for anyone who wants to get into the data science or data analysis. Second, less writing and more stuff done. The use of Pandas speed up the data handling process. Third, large number of features. Pandas are incredibly powerful. They give you a huge set of useful commands and features that you can use to quickly analyze your results. Pandas can be used to perform variety of tasks such as filtering data based on certain parameters and segmentation and segregation data based on interest and so on. Disadvantages of Pandas is first one, high learning curve. Pandas have gentle learning curve at first. However, as you progress further into the library, the learning curve steepens. Second, syntax problem. Pandas as a Python module can be pain to deal with the terms of syntax. As compared to the Python code, Pandas code syntax vary greatly. Third, 3D matrices have poor flexibility. It is one of the Pandas' most significant flaws. Pandas are godsend if you intend to deal with two-dimensional or 2D matrices. When working with the 3D matrix, however, Pandas will no longer be your first option and you will have to switch to NumPy or another library. So these were the advantages and disadvantages of Pandas. Now conclusion. Pandas library is fantastic Python tool to have. Learning Pandas and how it works will help you to get more control over your input data, which will boost your Python experience with data science. This will give you more flexibility and power not only when exploring the data but also when working with it directly achieve your programmatic analytics or scientific targets. Let's have the recap for Pandas. Pandas indicates Python for data analysis. The name Pandas derived from the term panel data. It is built on the top of NumPy package. Why we need to use Pandas? To load and save data, for deletion and insertion of column, to select the data, to rename the column and rows, to delete a row, to sort data, to handle duplicate data or to handle the missing values, to explore the data and to visualize the data. Pandas pros are excellent in data visualization. We need to write less and work will be done more. And Pandas offer large number of features. Cons are high learning curve, syntax problems, 3D matrices have poor flexibility and So this was Pandas library. Let us know in the comment section if you have any queries regarding Pandas, or if you like this library or you want more videos like this. Thank you.